Hi everyone, so today's video, I actually have a package from High Point Scientific. Now, High Point Scientific is one of the big astro companies in the United States for selling astronomy gear, and they reached out to me to become an affiliate with their program. So I'll be adding some High Point Scientific links to my video description. So if you're interested in buying some quality gear, definitely consider using those links. Now, in addition to that, they actually sent me this care package, which my understanding includes swag. So grabbing some scissors, we're going to open the box and see what exactly did they send me. And then the scissors fell apart. Yes, this apparently happened. I guess they're designed to do that. So, while I'm doing this, I should mention that I always do honest reviews and stuff. Affiliate links basically help fund some stuff. Like I have people asking me to review different camera equipment or different telescopes or a telescope versus a lens or different telephoto lenses. If I have to go out and buy a lens like I did for the Nikon 300F 3.5 or 4.5, I don't know, whichever one it was, that I'm going to be testing out against the Red Cat, that's out of my own money. And I have people asking me to test the 180 millimeter Nikon. I'm still looking for a reasonably affordable source for that. But again, that's out of my money. And when people buy things through the affiliate links, that helps me fund those types of reviews because Nikon isn't going to send me a 20 or 30-year-old lens to test for astrophotography. It's just not really part of their budgeting plan. The other aspect, oops, oh, that's not good. Come on. Don't want to stab myself, that would be bad. Alright. And here we go. We have a lovely bag of, if I center myself a little bit over here, it's a lovely bag of paper. So we're going to move it over. And we got High Point Scientific box. It's a box. And awesome. A box within a box. And there we go. This is probably going to be the thumbnail right here. And let's see what they actually send. Very interesting to see. So, open up, and it looks like there are 3 items. So we're going to start with item number 1, which is poppy paper. Yeah. Hours of fun later. Hours of fun. All right, what else we got? Oh, okay. We got ourselves a mug. And let's go for that here. Here we go. A scientific mug, absolutely great for coffee, hot cocoa. If you've seen my channel, you'll know hot cocoa, lots and lots of hot cocoa because I don't drink coffee. Despite, yes, I do have some of the most expensive coffee in the world. I'm going to save that for another video. Giveaway. But yes, High Point has sent me a lovely coffee mug. They've also sent me a sticker or decal. Absolutely great. That's going to go somewhere. Exactly where, I'm not sure yet. I generally stick them on the back of my laptop, but my laptop is coming close to the end of its functional life, so I'm saving up some stickers because I'm probably going to end up having to buy a new laptop for the next 6 months or so. So that's where that sticker will likely go. What else do we got here? We have, oh yes. Oh, there's something else in here. There we go. It's a water bottle. And if we open it up, yes, it's a High Point Scientific water bottle. Now, this is great when I'm going to go biking and I'm going to go on a lot of, I'm going to call them field tests. I'm going to do a series on field tests where I'm going to basically be jumping in my bike or my car and I'm going to be heading out to the woods with some telephoto gear, some binoculars, and a bunch of other stuff. And basically go out and do some birding because I actually do like to go birding It's not something I've been able to do very much in the last year because, stay-at-home orders and all that fun stuff. But as soon as that lifts, I'm definitely going out and doing a lot of birding. And this is absolutely perfect because, I carry a lot of water. So thank you very much for this lovely water bottle, which I will place over here. Hopefully the camera will be able to see everything. Probably see this giant mess of paper over here. And last but not least is a t-shirt. Pretty sure it's a t-shirt. And yes, it's a t-shirt. Woohoo! So with some post editing magic, there we go. And surprise, surprise, I suddenly have hot cocoa in my glass as well, or cup. Very hot cocoa. I did not give that time to cool down. So yes, High Point Scientific, thank you very much for all this cool swag. I'm definitely going to put this all to absolutely excellent use. And to everyone else, if you like to support this channel and are going to spend some money on astronomy gear anyway, or birding gear, or whatever, check out High Point Scientific as, link below in the description. It does actually help this channel a lot.